As you may or may not know, large video and photo files many times cannot be sent via email or other readily available methods. So, to facilitate the delivery of large files to Fly2High, we will send you a Dropbox file request email. This will allow you to securely upload your files of any size to a Dropbox site, where we can retrieve them and start working on your project. When you get your email, click on and open it, and you will have a message that looks something like this. You will typically see two hyperlinks, which are actually the same link provided in two different formats. One here, and one here. I'm going to click on this one, which will launch your web browser and take you to a Dropbox site, which should look like this. You have two options here, one to choose from your computer, the other to choose from your personal Dropbox account if you have one. I'm going to show you how to upload from your computer. Click on the Choose from Computer button, a window will open, and you can now navigate to the folder where your files are located. This just happened to open to the folder I want. To select a file to upload, click on it and you will see it highlighted. You can select multiple files if you choose, but I'm going to show you how to do one file at a time. Click Open, and you will see your selection has been added to an upload list. Let's select another file. Click on Add Another File. I'll select this one. Click on Open. I'll do one more. Add another file. I'll select this one. Open. Now I have a list of 3 files to be uploaded. I am done selecting files, so now I click Upload, and the upload starts. It will take a few minutes depending on the size and number of files you are transmitting. Don't close the window or turn off the computer until the upload is complete. Also, Dropbox will send you a nice email containing a list of the files that were uploaded. And it also notifies Fly2High that you have uploaded files, so we can retrieve them and start working on your project. When complete, it will give you this nice green Done message. You can choose to upload more files, or if you're done, close the browser and go about your business. I hope that cleared up any questions on how to upload your files.